This is the SHEHDS Beam 150. It is a 150 watt LED beam moving head at just under $500 at $440. This moving head is packed with features like an 8 and 18 facet prism with prism morphing features where you layer the two prisms together. And it also has a focusing lens, which not many beam moving heads have. It also has 12 colors and white, and also 13 gobos and open, as this moving head is packed full of features and it has a beam angle of 2.2 degrees to get a nice tight crisp beam, as you see behind me here. At the back you get 3-pin DMX in and out, and also power con in and out, so you can daisy chain your devices together. The weight comes at just under 9 kilos at 8.3 kilograms. Enough of the talking, let's see how it performs in smoke. If you want a more detailed review, please check out my unboxing and review on my YouTube channel of these two moving heads. Thank you so much, SHEHDS, for sending me these beasts check out their website, it will be linked in the description. Thank you very much and have a great day.